share something with you today to get you thinking. A couple of things. Do you like looking after the environment? That's a tick from me. Do you like saving money? It's another tick from me. Do you hate grocery shopping? I do. I hate it with a passion. However, what I love about our cleaning range in Nutrimedics is that you can buy bulk, so 5 litres of our products, and that means that firstly they get delivered to your front door from Nutrimedics, and secondly you're not having to go out to the supermarket and rebuy. I love our cleaning range. I used it for over 30 years. Yeah, really is over 30 years. We have a washing liquid, and that's based on the yucca extract, YUCCA if you'd like to Google, and it's just so user-friendly, very good for sensitive skinned people, which was the reason I initially thought I'd give it a go. It is also phosphate free, so very good for grey areas with water. We also have our fabric softener. It's phosphate free, it's tallow free, and what is good about tallow free means there's no animal beef intestines, which a lot of fabric softeners have tallow in them, and if you really find out and Google that, it's beef intestines, which is pretty yuck. And it also, fabric softener makes ironing less. Like you can quite often hang something and it doesn't need an iron or barely needs an iron, so that's another option. We have our Heavy Clean. Heavy Clean for me is in a bottle with spray bottle around my house, and I use it for any of the seriously heavy duty jobs, cleaning the toilets, your driveway if it had grease on it, your oven, mold, any of those really intense. I know a lot of people use it to clean up their camping gear when they get home, or the annex on the caravan, or the grates, all of those kind of heavier duty jobs. Heavy Clean. Now Heavy Clean, OLC and the washing liquid all come in 1 or 5 litres. So I like to call the 1 litre a sample bottle, so that you can actually see for yourself without spending and investing a lot of money in whether you're going to fall in love with it, as I have and as many others have. And of course the pink multi-purpose product called OLC, which stands for Organic Lotion Concentrate. Love this product for 101 uses in my home. It started out being my daughter's bubble bath when she was small, because she had a lot of eczema issues, and I got put onto that product, and we've used it in our shower as a shower gel for years and years and years. Therefore also stops you having to clean the shower. It has a gentle coconut smell, so it's made on the yucca plant and coconut oil. Just can be used to clean the house. I use it in a spray bottle all around my kitchen. I use it to clean all the pesticides off your fruit and vegetables. You'd be mortified if you knew what was on all of those things when you carry them into your kitchen. I use it in little hand pump soaps around my house to wash our hands with, and it's as effective as a lot of other competitive products that are out there. And we've just introduced baby OLC. So it has a pump on it, it's refillable, and the best bit is that, yeah, you won't find that your skin will dry out from a lot of the other products that are based on alcohol. So love the baby. She's new. I don't know why it's a she, but anyway, it's new. And of course our wipes, our OLC wipes are also very friendly. They're great for the car, they're great for children's camp bags, for your glove box, for just around the kitchen, basically anything and everything. They're no chemicals, so you can wipe the baby's mouths or little toddler's fingers or what have you very easily, so they're great for your baby bag. And they're just so versatile. You get 50 quite big wipes in here, and chemical free. We like that, right? Just for that gentle coconut smell. So why don't you give our cleaning range a go? I'm positive you will come back for more, and then you'll find, I know I only buy the 5 litre washing liquid once every 6 months. I do suggest a little tip is to write the date that you start using it on it, and then it'll blow your mind when you go, wow, I have been using that for a long time. It's versatile, gets delivered to your home, it's money saving, and it's looking after you, your skin, and the environment. So give our cleaning range a go.